This is a Mazda 3 moonroof assembly. So what happened to my car was that this moonroof wouldn't close completely, and then it was making a rattling noise. So I got on YouTube, tried to find some videos, couldn't find any. So basically I just started taking things apart on my own. Now here I'm posting this one, just if anyone needs to do the same thing. So what I've done here is I kind of took this cover off. I'll show you how to do that, but then eventually this is the result. So this is the moonroof. These are some screws that they would move and just move the moonroof. This guy is the engine. This guy is the motor that's moving the screws. And I've already I took it off. The problem with mine was that it was missing a screw here, so it wasn't all fully connected, so kind of it's loose, and then that's the whole thing. So I disconnected that. I just removed it, manually closed it, then push these slide buttons to go to fully closed state, and now I'm planning to screw things back together, so I can show what the result is. Okay, so I put this back in. Now things are working, so I'll show you what I meant by things moving here. So that's how the motor is moving. Right, so I think the problem is fixed now. All I need to do is to just put the cover back in. So for that, I will show you. There's this rubber thing around the door. I had to take it out of that. This part is the most tricky and difficult one to reach and fix. So, and then I had to pop these visors and the handle right here. Nothing difficult, but needs patience and just know how to do it. Okay, so I started putting cover back in. First thing, these two. Cover goes under the plastic area. Then I will need to use a screwdriver flat to just basically fix this area, and then I will start putting back in these clips. This one is a screw, these one is all clips, and this also just pops right in. Okay, so the cover is now placed under rubbers and this plastic part. So to take this off, what I did, just flat screwdriver goes in, just pull it outwards, it just pops out, and pops right back in. Okay, things are fine in it. Now, so this is the part that goes in here. So it is just a clip what you need to do is try to squeeze these areas, this part and then this part, simultaneously when you're trying to take it out. Okay, goes in very easily and smoothly. Same thing here. Okay. Next thing is this visor. Now, the story about this is you have a kind of like a circular motion is needed to take it out. And same thing to put it back in. I guess reverse. So just put it here, then tilt it. Goes in. Just needs the screw to be tied in. Alright, so these are back in. Now, next thing, obviously to put it back, it's much easier. To take it out, what I did, pulled from one side and then used a flat screwdriver trying to push this guy in and then pull it downwards. So just pull it, press it, pull it, comes off and goes right back in easily. Next part is this guy here. So taking it off, you would want to start with this side, right hand side. This one has a spring, so it's probably, once you take it off, you have a easier job to do on the left hand side. So the mechanism is like this. So you just would need to take this part out and then it will release the pressure on these two guys holding things in place. So just try to take this plate out. That's it. So going back in would be reverse. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This guy has the spring, so it folds. So if you can start with this, take this off, and then would release the clicker here. So just putting it back. Alright, and then finally, I forgot to mention this. There is this cover thing that goes on these edges. Doesn't have anything. It just goes in like this, right? So very straightforward. I'll do this again. Ta-da! So this is the finished project. Looks clean. Everything is back in. Now let's try it again. There it goes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and I hope it helps someone out there if he needs or she needs to fix the moonroof assembly as a DIY project.